Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and understanding the wiring. Turn the circuit breaker off and confirm with a multimeter. Never trust a toggle alone. Once done, open the switch box and identify the hot feed, neutral bundle, and load conductor to the light. Make sure you have the touch switch, a neutral jumper, wire nuts, and proper tools at hand. This step prevents shocks and makes the rest faster. Keep the panel off until wiring is complete and labeled so you don't mix wires later. Now you install the touch switch itself. First, connect the switch neutral to the existing neutral bundle using a correctly sized wire nut. This powers the sensor. Next, move the hot feed to the switch's live terminal so the switch receives line voltage, then connect the switch output to the load wire that goes to the fixture. If a ground is present, add a pigtail to the switch body. Once wired, give each connection a firm tug and arrange wires to avoid pinching when the device sits in the box. Finally, restore power and test the switch's behavior. You should see the fixture respond to light touch, and any dim or hold features should work as described. If nothing happens, immediately cut power again and recheck that the neutral is tied in and that you've not swapped the load and line. Make sure no wires are loose and confirm continuity with your meter. Once operational, fasten the switch into the box, install the faceplate, and label the breaker for future safety. One key tip: loose neutrals cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.